Hello, what's up? My name is Bilal. Today I'll tell you another story of AI brain versus human brain. This time, it wasn't about math or numbers. It was about a real-life problem, a power outage. One evening, the lights suddenly went out. The whole room was dark. AI brain was the first to react. It said, "Don't worry, I'll search for solutions online." But of course, the Wi-Fi was also down. AI brain got stuck, confused and silent. Then human brain spoke up. No electricity? No problem. First, it remembered where the emergency light was kept. Within minutes, the room was bright again. Then it thought ahead. The fridge shouldn't stay off too long, so let's keep it closed. The phone battery must be saved, so reduce the brightness. Step by step, human brain solved everything with calm, practical thinking. AI brain watched carefully. It had all the data in the world, but without internet, it was powerless. Human brain, on the other hand, used memory, experience, and common sense. It didn't just survive the outage, it managed it smartly. And that's the difference. AI is fast, but in real life, problems don't always follow the rules of data. Human brain adapts, finds solutions, and keeps life moving. The winner of this round? Once again, human brain.